The last image just generated, and we can see we get an S tier, A tier, and B tier list of the best animes of 2025. And again, as you can see here, we have the actual names of the animes, and the images just looks really good. Like, this is an image that would take you hours and hours to create a beautiful image like this, but we were able to create this in a couple of minutes using WordRocket. One of the most consistent compliments that we get from WordRocket is that our images are world-class and incomparable to other AI writers. Our prompting is just really good, and we use one of the highest image models to generate our cover image and our inline blog post images. If you haven't used WordRocket before, I highly recommend that you check this out, and images are included for completely free in all WordRocket accounts. Just by going through some of these images here, we can see that the text on the screen, there's little distortion. You can create complicated images with charts, with arrows, with words on the images, and there's little to no distortion. Now, we just added a new update into WordRocket, which allows you to even further customize your images. So you would set up your article the way that you usually do, and when you get over to image settings, here is where now you can add further instructions. I can give the AI additional image instructions based upon the content of which I'm writing. For example, you can add additional instructions like you want to create the images in a specific style, specific for an audience or a target market. You can also update the dimensions. You can change the sizing for your cover images. You can do landscape, which is the traditional way of cover images, or if you wanted to, you can do square or portrait mode if you're posting your content on different platforms. You can also do the same and customize the dimensions for the content images or the inline images throughout your article. Here are some of the style presets. We have photorealistic, cartoon, illustration, sketch, watercolor, and 3D rendering. We also have artistic influence, and these have a variety of different influences that you can choose from. So Japanese style, Ghibli style, Picasso, so on and so forth. Let's say, for example, I'm writing an article about the best anime of 2026. I again can add further instructions. I can allow the AI to create the content in a cartoon, and for the artistic style, I can use the traditional woodblock print style. So we can use that because if we're writing something about cartoons or anime, we want to have images that are going to be less photorealistic and mesh well with the actual article. So let's go ahead and generate this content, and we're going to see what the images look like. The ability to customize images is now available for all templates. So even if we went over to the generate product roundup template, under product images, we can again give more instructions. So we can give more instructions based upon the images in which we would like to create. If we head over to the bulk generation mode, again, in the image settings, we also have advanced settings in which you can choose from. So anywhere you're generating content, you can now customize your images. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, images are included for completely free in your WordRocket account. So for example, if you get the lifetime deal for $150, you get 200 images per month that is renewable. So you do not pay for these images. And as I mentioned, we use one of the highest image models to get the highest quality of images. If you wanted to get the bundle plus, so that will add $50 onto your total payment, you'll also get 100 plus renewable images per month. So for $200 one-time payment, you get 300 images per month on your plans. Instead, if you wanted to get a monthly plan, on the Pro plan, you get 250 images per month. So we're pretty flexible in our pricing. And again, you don't have to pay for any of the images. The images are included for completely free. Our content is now complete. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So best anime of 2026. As we can see, this image looks really good. It's very well designed, and it goes with the flow of the actual article itself. If we didn't have this update and we just had a photorealistic imagery, it would be a good image, but it just wouldn't fit well with the topic in which we're writing about. This is a well-designed and colorful image that flows well with the actual article. Here's the second image in which we get back, and you can see here that it followed the instructions that we gave it, and it created this article in the Japanese wood style. And here's the third image. Again, it looks really good. So no matter what niche you're in, you can now create relevant images to match the content that you're writing about. The last image just generated, and we can see we get an S tier, A tier, and B tier list of the best animes of 2025. And again, as you can see here, we have the actual names of the animes, and the images just looks really good. Like, this is an image that would take you hours and hours to create a beautiful image like this, but we were able to create this in a couple of minutes using WordRocket. If you guys would like to try out this new feature, just head over to app.wordrocket.ai, and under images you can then choose advanced image settings and customize the images to your liking. If you enjoyed today's video, give us a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.